What's up, Five Levels family?
It's your girl, Naya, wants with your love.
It's your girl, Niche.
We'll be back with another video.
Yeah, today we have homemade rotel. So you have ground beef, Velveeta cheese, rotel cans, the tomato sauce, mild, and we have sour cream on top. Oh, this is my package. Hold on, I have something getting delivered. One moment.
I'll go get it. But you gotta go sign it.
Go get it. No, I don't. Okay. Sorry we back, but I had a delivery. I am putting together, well, I'm helping host a bridal shower for my sister-in-law. So I will record the day of the bridal shower so you can see the behind the scenes or whatever. So, sorry about that. So I'm helping hosting the bridal shower. So I'm doing the games, I help with decorations, I had to get together, well, I had to order the cater, the cake, and everything. So it's good to have family members who do stuff and friends that you know, whatever, Denia, that helps your event come together. But anyway, homemade rotel. And me and Denia here, like always. It's always me and Denia for real. But the other girls went out to eat with their friend for her birthday. They went to Longhorn, so it's just me and Raya's so into Stranger Things and her phone, so I'm gonna let her have her little time. But we're gonna go ahead and dig in before it get cold. But we normally eat with Doritos. We eat with tortilla chips too, but today we don't have any Doritos.
We went to the store, but she didn't want it. But she already bought these.
I was gonna buy some Doritos. I'm like, forget it. I already bought 2 bags of these chips, so.
It's so good.
So good. How you ever went to a party? They made rotel dip.
Almost every hotel party got rotel.
And it be so watery. No flavor to it. I'm gonna cook my rotel and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I did it. You see it's not watery and have flavor to it. Some people just make the cheese with the rotel sauce. Me, well, other people add meat to it. Like I got ground beef. We normally add chicken, shrimp.
I don't drink soda no more.
Sausage. Remember Naya said that.
And I don't eat no hot chips no more.
Hold on. Right. Turn your phone down or close the door. Turn your phone down or close the door. Okay, so.
Wow.
So good. We love sour cream so much. That's why we eat ours with sour cream. But you also add sausage to it.
Sausage is nasty.
Combination with all type of meats. Steak, rotel, with however you want it. But how was school, Naya? Can we talk about friends influence other friends to do wrong or do bad?
What you mean?
Have any of your friends ever influenced you to do something bad?
When they do something bad, I don't not be with them. Like, I do not.
So you don't participate?
Nope.
How many of you guys had a friend trying to influence you to do wrong? And you know it's wrong. Either you participated in it or you was like, nah, that ain't me. I'm not doing that. Me growing up, I was my own person, even now today.
I never got a bad phone call or a write-up. Nothing. No referral.
Now you never got a bad report home. Not Dariah. Yeah. Shamaya.
Sorry.
She being goofy in class or being a comedian. Shakira being talkative. But as far as like being disruptive, probably only Dariah. When she has substitute teachers. But I was always my own person. Probably once upon a time when I was younger, I had friends that I looked up to. And then when I found out they did something wrong or something I disliked, I was like, Either I cut them off or tell them about themselves. When I was younger, I was kind of a shy kid. But as I got older, I became outspoken. Now that I'm grown, baby,
I'm not shy.
I will let you have it.
I'm shy.
It depends on who you're around.
If it's family, I'm shy because
when you first meet them,
I never know.
I don't really be around them. You shy.
I never knew they existed.
But if it's us or your friends, you get out of hand.
My mom said I talk too much.
No, you do.
I drink all my videos.
You do talk too much. But we almost to 100 subscribers. Yay!
Once we hit 100 subscribers, we're gonna be doing another giveaway.
Yes, once we get to 100 subscribers, we are doing another giveaway. So be looking out for that. You will have to be a subscriber. So once we do it again, I'll probably go live or do a video. You just comment your name below or hit us up on Instagram under 5 Levels Fam on Instagram. If you want to personally follow me, I'm at the niche _ fears 30. And I'm also about to have my own YouTube channel. I'm gonna do a lot of mukbangs on there, a lot of hair tutorials, me doing my own hair, Denia's hair, and retwisting the girls' locks. I'm also gonna be doing cooking videos, shop with me vlogs, and a lot of
She'll do makeup
talks. I don't know how to do makeup, but if y'all want me to, I can, do a makeup tutorial. Waffle House Yellow.
Oh my god.
But well, we can learn together if y'all want to do that. But yeah, just beauty tips. I know how to put on lashes. At least I know how to do that. And different earrings or whatever. I mainly love hoops, y'all. I do studs too, but I love hoops.
I love studs. You know how small they are?
Mm-hmm. But this roast so good. Oh, you know what we're missing? Some jalapenos. You know when you turn your Rotel into some nachos, you start adding sour cream, jalapenos. But I'm gonna be doing some healthy mukbangs too.
We always eat healthy, we got broccoli on the side.
Yeah, we always do eat healthy. We eat. Well, I ain't gonna say always, majority of the time, but sometimes we have spurts where we eat fast food like the whole week, and that's not good.
It's good to me. Cause it tastes good.
Number why? You spend more money. It's unhealthy. And just being lazy. Like, you get into that habit. So, I'm going to try to start back cooking for you guys. So, I'm going to do a few videos on here. But it's more on my family page channel.
I remember my mama used to cook every day. This 1 week, she cooked every day. I'm like, oh my god.
I cook every day.
I need some fast food. Put something healthy on the side.
I want my baby to stay happy.
Baked chicken and broccoli.
Asparagus. Well,
Asparagus good.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts.
We do stuff like corn on the cob too, baked beans, mashed potatoes a lot, macaroni.
Black beans is the bomb.com.
Yeah, baked beans is good.
I said black.
Oh, black beans. You know what? I'm gonna do a I remember we lived in California. I did a few times here, but I used to always do the Chipotle edition with the chicken, the brown rice, the lettuce, the sour cream, the guacamole, the black beans. Oh my god, now I know how to make some pinto beans. Woo woo! So good. I guess I'll wait till the winter time to cook that.
I love pinto beans.
Mm-hmm.
At first, I thought it was gonna be nasty. When I tasted it, oh my god. But pinto beans, baby, gotta do number 2.
I used to hate beans when I was little. But as you get older, I say beans. I say cranberry juice. We used to hate. Well, meatloaf, it was okay. My mama cooked it, but
meatloaf trifling.
Oh, it's not trifling. Oh, remember your papa made that meatloaf?
But the nasty are good.
I ain't get a chance to taste it, but
my grandma was somebody.
I saw it. I'm like, oh my god, what is that? Like just a glock. But the kids said it was good.
I ate it. See, let me tell you, I don't think I'm not a normal kid. I don't like marshmallows. What else I don't like? I don't like marshmallows. I don't like.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not normal. I don't like none of that.
My kids are really picky. They all now like white pasta. But Calvin sometimes like, I don't want none. They all don't like spaghetti no more. I really cook spaghetti. Other people cook spaghetti. Naya may eat it, but Dariah claims she don't eat it. Shakira most definitely don't eat spaghetti.
Sometimes I don't eat meatballs.
Naya don't like meatballs no more. What else? Shemaya sometimes like chicken, sometimes she don't. Like if I'm frying it at home, she'll eat it. But if I say I'm going to Popeyes or Church's Chicken or something like that, I don't want no chicken. I don't want no chicken. Naya. But Shemaya go to Chick-fil-A in a minute, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Or order her grilled chicken. Right. But talking about she don't like chicken.
But they know about my new job.
Oh, my baby got a new job. Hoo-hoo,
No
congratulations, Shemaya.
Don't like Sonic no more.
She got hired at Sonic's. Then they started playing, told them they had a freeze on hiring. Kept playing, get her to run around. So now she's working at McDonald's.
Or Burger King.
Oh yeah, she got hired at Burger King too. Then they want to put her on the late night shift, getting off at 12. She's still in school, so why put her on that shift? So she ended up getting hired at McDonald's. The hours are kind of long, but it's still cool to work for her for right now. Of course, she's driving. And my baby's 16.
How about to be 16?
Matter of fact, let me call them right now to see if they made it to Longhorn, because Shemaya is driving to Longhorn. Hold on.
Every time I drive, I want a car every 5 minutes.
Yeah. I'm nervous.
That's why I might be dropping off at home. I don't tell you.
What?
Might be dropping us off at home. I don't tell you.
Why?
Good, you be calling too
So I can call too.
Hello?
Y'all left for Longhorn yet?
No, we just got here.
Huh?
We just got here.
Where? Your daddy house?
No, we just got to Longhorn. We had to get some gas.
That's what I said. Did you make it to Longhorn yet?
You said you gotta leave if you on Longhorn yet.
I'm gonna say, did I make it to Longhorn yet?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, have fun. Comment when y'all about to leave.
Okay.
All right. I'm not used to that. I don't want my babies to grow up yet. How many of you all out there have that problem? You're not ready for your kids to grow up yet. Naya, why are you eating sitting back? You got 4?
Mm-hmm.
She back there eating popcorn.
Yeah, I'm right. So, when I don't know. Well, she be giving me big portions of food. But when I really, really want it, she give me little portions.
I give you a big portion so you can always put it in the microwave and save for later. I don't have to make another plate. You can just warm that back up
But
and eat
when
it.
I really don't like it, she gonna give me a lot of baked beans.
I thought you liked baked beans.
Not I do, but I wasn't feeling it.
When last time I cooked some baked beans? It's been a
It was
minute.
a long time ago. Give me a whole bunch. Maybe we made some tacos.
Oh, I made some tacos one time. I was so frustrated that day.
Oh my
I overseasoned it.
I really couldn't eat it.
It was too much seasoning on it. Oh yeah, I think what I did, I was so frustrated. You know how you have the top side of the little holes, and I opened up the other side with the big space in it, and a lot of seasoning had got on it, and I tried to get water it down or whatever. Shit, we had to. I wasn't mad. I was frustrated. Too much going on. Too many kids over here. Forget that. Y'all gonna eat it. But eat what you can.
I'm full like a mud.
I want to start doing ASMRs. Get close and personal.
You can't show your eyes though.
You show your face. A lot of people show their face. Only person who want to show that from here on down is the
Chinese people.
the Asian lady. Japanese, whatever she is.
That was good.
You ate a lot.
Oops.
I mean, I could say that word. Comment down below what video you would like for us to see. What video you would like to see next.
Y'all, we doing how much we can hold. We doing only eating blue food and pink food for 24 hours. And we getting order whatever person in front of us. We paying for whatever the person in front of us order.
Will you pay for that order?
No, whatever they get, we gotta get the same thing. We pay for it.
Not pay for it, just say order with the car in front of you order.
Okay. I'm always trying to correct me.
Yeah, because you said it wrong.
She always want to be right.
Because I'm always right. I could be wrong, but most of the time I'm right. But we don't want to hold y'all long.
Then they be getting mad when he wrong.
Yes.
He trying to make a excuse.
He been making up 1,000 excuses. He get mad when we prove him wrong.
No, I'm just trying to see different ways.
He go the wrong way. I just love driving. I know my way around. I'm gonna go around this way. I just want to go this way. Nah, dude.
You was wrong.
You missed the wrong turn. But I'm getting full. I know now you're getting full. Only have a little left. Now you got a little left. But we're going to go ahead and sign out on this deal.
And make sure you get on our levels.
Get on our levels.
And we are.
Oh, no. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below to get update videos from the 5 Levels family.
Wait, hold on, you guys. Do y'all want merch?
Oh, we're going to have some merch coming out, but we're going to wait on that.
Do y'all want some merch?
We're going to wait on that.
It say Naya wants some free love. No, it's fine.
Say Old Navy. Okay, well, we love y'all. Peace. We got this joint. Booyah.
You gonna stop by yourself. Look.